Storm Team 29 forecast.
I hope you enjoyed a nice Friday. If you were up early this morning, you maybe saw the colorful sunrise. Had a lot of high mid-level clouds overhead. Lori Wright captured that nice shot. You can see Carter Mountain there in the background. And some of those clouds this morning did yield a few flurries passing by. Here's the take from Warren Fall to his vantage point there in Augusta County, looking toward the Blue Ridge. And yeah, some of those clouds were producing a little bit of some light snow. Speaking of snow, yes, cold enough that wintergreen and areas like Massanutten can continue to build the base, and the snow guns are going. There's the view right now at wintergreen, currently checking in at 26 degrees. Let's take a look at our current numbers. We're 41 at the airport, only touched 46 this afternoon for a high, so seasonably chilly. Winds out of the south or southwest, the air mass very dry. In the Shenandoah Valley, 33 with clear skies. A light south-southwesterly wind touched 41 for a high today. Some other readings, 37 in Palmyra. We've got 37 there in Orange, 38 in Madison, 35 in Waynesboro, and 32 currently in Harrisonburg. So this is a 12-hour loop of the satellite and radar combination. When it begins again, you'll see the clouds that we were dealing with this morning made for that nice colorful sunrise. And yeah, there were a few flurries that were falling from that deck of clouds, and then we enjoyed a good amount of sunshine. Winds a lot lighter today, and tonight will average mostly clear with temperatures pretty much in the upper 20s to around 30 in many spots with seasonable overnight. Milder tomorrow, widespread 50s, even some mid to possibly upper 50s east of the Blue Ridge with lower 50s across the Shenandoah Valley. So the last weekend of January is mild. Sunday, a little different. Sunday will be cooler, upper 40s to low 50s. Morning right now looks dry, but by midday into the afternoon, there will be a few showers around. This doesn't look to be a big soaking rain, a lot less than what we saw just the other day, but nonetheless, some light rain that could take us into Monday morning. Right now, general amounts look to be well under a quarter of an inch. So as we take a look at what's happening now, we have high pressure anchored off to our south, and we've got basically a storm track that's to our north, and you can see some of the snows here across the Ohio Valley, of course across the Great Lakes, and the main storms up across Canada. It will slide east here tonight. But there is some Arctic air entering the lower 48, especially across the northern tier of the country. 7 right now in Fargo, and a storm organizing here will continue to work off to the north and east. It eventually brings a front in our direction as we get into Sunday and Monday. But temperatures here for your Saturday after a seasonably cold start, upper 20s and low 30s. We'll have a nice mild afternoon, well in the 50s with westerly winds. And then as we go into Sunday, the morning hours look to start dry, temperatures in the low and mid 30s, but by midday and thereafter there will be some light rain showers working through, upper 40s and low 50s for the afternoon high. Here we go for tonight, temperatures in the upper 20s to around 30, seasonable. A look at your Michael and Son 7-day forecast last weekend of January and the final days of the month closing out here. Again, a nice day here for your Saturday. Showers around by Sunday afternoon, and then kind of tapering off early Monday. Monday, warmest day of the week, upper 50s, even a few low 60s, and then we start to trend much cooler as we go deeper into next week. So a wet ending to January, a wet start to February, and we'll have to watch Groundhog Day. Maybe right now a low-end chance for some wintry weather, but sharply colder by next weekend.
All right, we'll wait and see.
There we go.
Thank you so much, Eric.